my card, I know what it costs. Yeah, I put in the work that you don't. Day after day, I work and I play. Yeah, I'll do all the things that you won't, even when my feet get tired.
So it's supposed to be a calm wind, nice day. It's not really any of those, pretty cold. You could probably hear the wind noise, but we're starting our ride. We're starting at the Blue Ring. Let's get going.
I'm the story you don't speak of. I'm the one they call the underdog. Cause every time the push comes to shove, you're climbing over you, nothing beats the top. Cause I was everything and nothing at all. Don't care what you think or what you believe, cause I'm gonna turn the world upside down. If you want a shot, just step in the ring. Yeah, I'ma shake your bones like thunder.
So like I said, pretty windy, pretty cool, but nice to get out. Injury is still a bit of a pain, and it's caused a little bit of an imbalance, which is actually causing me some issues with my feet, but we'll just keep on going, work it out. As you know, gas prices are sky high, so instead of relying on a 13-cent rebate from the government, basically what I've done is taken things into my own hands, and what I am doing is taking gas out of the equation. I have picked up a commuter bike, I'll show you that in a second, to just kind of get back and forth from the grocery store, from running errands, as well as going to work and not having to rely on taking my expensive road bike out. So got this guy, gonna fix her up. She needs a little bit of love, but it's going to be a faster commuter bike, and I'm going to show you why I picked this bike in particular. So there you go, that is a 2013 Norco Indie. We've got disc brakes, and then we've got flat bar for an upright riding position, so a little bit more mountain bike. It is 9-speed in the back, and we've got 3 in the front, so 27 gears was what they would call it. I've already thrown a pair of pedals on there. I've gone with a pair of Shimano's that are flat on one side and then clip in on the other. That's going to make it a lot easier for me to just take it casually, as well as, you know, when I commute, being able to clip in. So I'm looking forward to that. We've got some WTB SX 17700cc rims. We've got some City Ride tires on there. Those are probably going to have to get replaced. We've got Dior derailleur, Dior cranks, and overall I'd say looking pretty good. She is a size large, and we're just going to clean her up and get her ready to go and just do some basic maintenance stuff along the way. You'll see some videos with that stuff. You know, some things that are going to have to change here are likely the grips. I haven't measured it yet, but the chain, so I'm going to grab the chain tool and do that right now. So I've got the Park Tool chain checker. We're going to check the chain, make sure that it's in good condition. The chain rings and the cassette look not too bad. There's no shark teeth or anything like that, so I think we're good there. So we might switch the chain out right away just to make sure that everything is good. And the beauty of this guy is with the fin is you can use this for 9 speeds, 11 speeds, 10 speeds, 12 speeds. It'll help measure them all. Some of the drop-in ones, depending on the settings you have, aren't that useful, but this guy is absolutely fantastic.
Alright, so the chain was at 0.75, which means it needs to be replaced because it is a 9-speed chain. So I took off to the bike shop, grabbed the 9-speed chain and installed that. I have a video that shows you how to install a 9-speed chain, or any SRAM chain for that matter. The link for that is down below. I'm pretty excited about putting this commuter bike together. I want to find some racks. It's got some nice mounting bolt points on the bike itself to mount things like frame racks, so that's pretty cool. And it's going to be a fun little project, a nice bike to kind of boot around, go get some groceries, do some errands, and do some commuting. So if you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell button so you get notifications, and until next time, see ya.